I'm Jose Medrano. I go by Joe. I was looking for a crawlspace encapsulation. I wasn't really sure what I was looking for to begin with. When we first moved in, I had to hook up the dryer vent leading out to the house. So I was down there for a while and I came up just coughing, sneezing, feeling sick. And I was like, I kind of want to get the crawlspace finished. That's really what led me to start doing the research on it. I did see commercials for peak structural. That's kind of what stuck in the back of my head every time I thought about it. And then actually I Googled like finished crawlspace, and then that's when it came up with crawlspace encapsulation, and I looked into what that was, really what benefits it had offered. Peak Structural was like one of the first websites that popped up. A design specialist came out and he really sold me on it. I was already sure I wanted to do it, but I mean, he kind of went above and beyond, and solid presentation and provided me with the information I needed. And then a couple days later, the actual crew from Peak Structural came out and started their work. And for them, it was an all-day job, but I mean, they were real nice guys, real respectable. They seemed to really know what they were talking about. I didn't really have too many questions. I would recommend Peak Structural to anybody that was considering maybe crawlspace encapsulation, anything that my friends and family would need.